फूल आया मेरो घरमा चाडैभरि तिमीलाई कुनै आया तिमी पारी किन देव फूल आया मेरो घरमा चाडैभरि तिमीलाई कुनै अरूको जुनी कहीँ पनि कसै थाहा छ र त्यही जुनीमा मायाले प्रेम गराए त्यही जुनीमा मायाले प्रेम गराए
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। कैसे हैं आप सब? इस गाने के लाइंस में दम तो है। जिंदगी में कब क्या होता है बताना मुश्किल है। माई इंजरी वॉज नॉट एट ऑल एक्सपेक्टेड, बट वही चलती का नाम है गाड़ी। और मैं आ गई हूँ टॉय ट्रेन के शहर में, क्वीन ऑफ हिल्स दार्जिलिंग में। देखते हैं इन 4 घंटों में दार्जिलिंग की कुछ झलकियाँ। Hi everyone, welcome to Novena D Amateur. Yesterday it was really a bad day. बहुत भयानक इंजरी आई। पहले तो मैं हंस रही थी कि जब मैं गिरती हूँ तो हंस रही हूँ, बट लेटर आई रियलाइज दिस इज़ नॉट दैट easy. It's all no swelling आ गई है, crepe banded and all. I'm taking painkillers. So this is my last day in Shillong. कभी मौका मिले तो ज़रूर यहाँ के किस तरह से लोग लाइफस्टाइल है, कैसे रहते हैं, किसी कमरे में लॉक नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, लाइक यू नो सो सिक्योर्ड you're getting the horn sound which is ये सारी चीज़ें इधर से उधर जा रही हैं। तो बट राइट नाउ द टुडेज प्लान इज़ दैट आज मैं जाऊंगी यहाँ से दार्जिलिंग होते हुए जोरथांग, एंड प्रॉब्ली फ्रॉम देयर आई विल पिक अ कैब और समथिंग फॉर राबांगला। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड जाते हैं दूसरी जर्नी पे। मुझे ये नहीं मालूम कि मैं किस तरह से चल पाऊँगी। आई एम एक्चुअली लिम्पिंग, बट द मोमेंट आई एम इन कैमरा आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक श्योर दैट आई शुड नॉट डू दैट। बट चलिए मेरे साथ एक फिर से किसी जर्नी में और ले चलती हूँ आपको। सो कितना अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे पक्षियों की आवाज़, और इट्स रियली अमेजिंग। सो अब देख रहे होंगे ये बादल पहाड़ों के बीच। कल जो मैं जोगी घाट गई थी, दैट वाज द प्लेस, ये आपको दिख रहा होगा। द मोम्पू, वहाँ पे मैं गई थी। सो यू नो यू कैन सी थिंग्स फ्रॉम हियर। सो कभी कभी लगता है कि पूरी ज़िंदगी बीत जानी चाहिए इसी तरह की जगहों में, एटलीस्ट वो टेंशन नहीं है। सो फीलिंग गुड। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द जर्नी। Bye bye Shillong. So now I'm going to take you on a different journey. So let's start.
My favorite song, keep it on repeat.
Can you see this? This is white orchid. Kurseong में बोलते थे ना the land of white orchid. यहाँ पे normally बड़े बड़े पेड़ हैं और orchids लगे हुए हैं। कहानी अगर स्टोरीज बनानी हो ना तो यहाँ पे रह के एक एक चीज़ों के इसलिए बनानी होती है, बट इट्स अमेजिंग।
So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice.
Are not at that good or happy because my legs are actually really hurt, so I'm constantly limping. Sometimes you are in so much of pain that you cannot deliver or happily cannot show everything, but it's a very quick visit. You know, this is a Ghum monastery and I'm showing it to you, so have a look at it, feel that, and going to the next destination. So quickly move with me. Right now, I am at Batashia Loop. This is basically a war memorial. So, just know something about this Batashia Loop, why it has been like this. So, let's listen something. Batashia Loop is a war memorial. This was opened to commemorate the Gorkha soldiers of Darjeeling Hills who sacrificed their lives in the various wars after India's independence. The War Memorial Loop has 3-meter high bronze statue of a Gorkha soldier, and you can get a spectacular view of Darjeeling town and a toy train ride. Just roaming around in Darjeeling, um, like slowly I'm going to catch my cab. So this is, I'm just near Batashia Loop. This is a busy road actually, and you may get many restaurants here. There's a Santa Banta dhaba you can see, and there are many other few joints are there. You will get many food corners or street food shops. I will come to Darjeeling at a different time, but this is a very quick visit to Darjeeling. So you can see the toy train, and from nearby you can see the whole city. So I'll just take you some of the few the places actually, and then I'll leave from here.
You keep me on my feet. I'll move to the beat, my favorite song.
Now I'm just moving towards the mall road, and first I will take my lunch or whatever one of the very famous joint called Caventers. So just showing you few things, and then who does not know about the much famed Caventers, almost 100 years old famous joint known for English breakfast. You can pamper your taste buds with sandwiches, sausages, salamis, bacon and eggs. And film lovers would definitely knows about Caventers. Yes, the shooting location of Satyajit Ray's film Kanchenjunga and Anurag Vasuki film Barfi. Buffy.
You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away. You've got what I want. Take it on. I'll be waiting for you to sweep me off my feet to a different beat. Oh, just say
Now this is going to be my breakfast. No, this is a brunch. I can think this is this is my brunch kind of thing, breakfast and lunch. So again, egg and sausage, chicken sausage and egg. So this is going to be my breakfast come lunch. So let's taste it. And I ordered one pot tea. Here tea is available, like if you want to take a tea, it is just like pot wise. So taste किया जाए.
You're my melody. You're my melody. Don't let it fade away.
Here if you go for an order, tea is not a cup wise, it's a pot wise. They give you the tea in this pot. Along with that, they'll give you this kind of filter and sugar is there. So like that, I ordered Darjeeling tea. So I'll prepare once and then I'll show it to you.
So far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
Well, you can see it's written hope. So right now I'm at Gleneries, one of the very, very, very famous joints in Darjeeling. It's a bakery and it's very famous. So I'm just giving you some of the glimpses of Glenery, and let's see what I can take from this shop. I used to see a lot of video, I used to watch a lot of video related to Gleneries. So right now I'm here at Gleneries. So check it out.
It really makes me wonder.
तो हम आ गए हैं यहाँ पे Gleneries, one of the landmark of Darjeeling city. The restaurant and the bakery is over 100 years old. It was established during British colonial days. Let's enjoy some cakes, cream rolls and muffins.
Are you taking photos?
I'm a YouTuber, so taking some
Oh,
visuals.
where are you from?
I'm coming from Kolkata, but I'm basically from Varanasi. You can take, come on.
What is it taken?
Yeah. So you stay here?
I'm from Darjeeling, yes.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So this is very famous.
This Gleneries is very famous, yes. It's from the British period.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
Right now I'm at Gleneries, and this is one of the very old bakery since British era. So people, they come and they visit. There's a lot of good bakery items. So I'm just giving you a glimpse, and it's really very famous. Can you see this? This is my takeaway from Gleneries. So I'm just going to pack all this thing and I'll to pay my bills, and then immediately I'll show you something else. And really, I'm really out of time now. It's 2 o'clock. I need to rush. Well, right now I'm at Mall Road, Mall Road, whatever you say in Darjeeling. Right now I'm here, so just have a look at it, and that's what my quick visit to Darjeeling, finishing with Mall Road. Look at the things, and just I'll go nearby one tea shop, and in between, if you like this video or आपको अगर अच्छा लगा तो please do like, share, and subscribe to Novena D Amateur. I'm really working very hard to do a good story for you. This is not a Darjeeling tour. This is just quick visit. मैं यहाँ पे बस 2 या 3 घंटे के लिए भी नहीं थी, तो just as a quick tour to Darjeeling, and maybe next time I'll come some remote. I will just visit some remote places too. So just have a look at Mall Road.
You keep me on my feet. I'll move to the beat, my favorite song. Keep it on repeat. Please don't let it fade. Just say you want.
In a shop called Golden Tips, this shop or maybe the company has existed like since 1933. So this is going to be my takeaway from Darjeeling, and as we know, Darjeeling tea is really very famous. So just a token of remembrance. So I'm taking this one.
You're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright. You're my melody.
I'm just beside that famous tower. So this was my 3 hours of Darjeeling tour. How you like that? If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Novena D Amateur. अगली बार दार्जिलिंग की शेयर अच्छी तरह से करवाऊंगी, और there are many other places. Please check it out in the description box, and next time we'll see again.
What I want, take it on. I'll be waiting.
अभी मैं एक दार्जिलिंग के कंट्री साइड में आई हूँ, थोड़ा डाउनटाउन है यहाँ पे, और वो जो आप देख रहे हैं वो है जोरथांग सिक्किम। तो अभी मुझे यहाँ से नॉर्थ बंगाल से सिक्किम जाना है, दूसरे स्टेट। सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ लिटिल ब्रेक, और वहाँ से मैं जोरथांग जाऊँगी। जोरथांग से आई विल टेक अनदर कैब एंड आई नीड टू गो टू रावांगला। सो लेट्स कम विद मी। जब से मैं नॉर्थ बंगाल में आई हूँ, और शिलीगुड़ी से मेरे सफ़र में पीके भैया थे, और ये है रेमॉन्ड। So PK भैया, he is not only, if you feel like he is a driver, he is more than that. ये लातपंचर में रहते हैं, और he is a really a bird lover. और अभी इनका नया होम स्टे भी बन रहा है, और जब बनेगा आई विल गिव यू ऑल द डिटेल्स। आप पीके भैया का डिटेल मैं यहाँ पे दे दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, सो दैट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट। अगर आपको नॉर्थ बंगाल में शिटोंग, लातपंचर में कहीं भी जाना है, प्लीज़ कॉन्टैक्ट हिम for everything, for conveyance to fooding and lodging and to sightseeing. He is a wonderful person, और बहुत गार्जियन की तरह रहते हैं। और मुझे बीच में बहुत सारा में चोट आया था, आप लोगों को मालूम है, लेकिन उस समय मुझे ये एक भरोसा था कि भैया है साथ में, तो आई विल बी फाइन। सो इनके साथ तक इनका जो सफ़र है इनके साथ, तो जोरथांग तक रहेगा, उसके बाद स्टेट चेंज हो जाएगा। सो टिल देन देखते रहिए आगे क्या होता है।